Realme has just introduced yet another cell phone, regardless of when you're hearing this. Currently, it's the Realme 14T 5G. Honestly, I've lost track of how many devices Realme has launched under the Realme 14 series, because I believe there's the 14X, 14, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Plus, and probably even more. This time around, similar to other Realme models, it emphasizes design, durability, and battery life. It features a slim body measuring 7.97 millimeters, along with a textured finish that provides a soft touch on the back while also being resistant to footprints, so they're less noticeable. It comes in three colors: surf green, lightning purple, and obsidian black. The display measures 6.67 inches, featuring a mold with full HD plus resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and a high brightness mode reaching 1200 nits globally, peaking at 2000 nits for HDR content. It covers 111% of the DCI-P3 color space, with eye comfort certification and other small features. It comes with integrated fingerprint reader under the screen, and in terms of power, it integrates the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, accompanied by LPDDR4X RAM, and UFS 2.2 storage, so it does not seem to be the most powerful of the segment, but in a moment more we see its price. Where if it will stand out a lot will be in the battery, because it has a capacity of 6000 mAh. In this case supports fast charging 45 watts, so it is excellent news to see a good battery capacity each time. It is more typical, even though they should be tested, because sometimes they end up disappointing us. Regarding photography, it includes a 50 megapixel OmniVision sensor as the main camera and a monochrome sensor for the secondary camera, which is essentially a marketing camera. The front camera is 16 megapixels, featuring a Sony IMX480 sensor, so it's not particularly noteworthy. But fortunately, Realme includes dual speakers and an ultra volume mode called 300 which increases the gain beyond. The device has a high frequency range, all in mid and high frequencies to have a more thunderous sound. This device stands out especially in resistance because it has IP66, IP68, and IP69, so it is practically covered in every way against dust and immersion in water, or even, against high-pressure water jets. This device also has a micro SD card slot, something it's losing more and more of, but this one still has it. Fortunately, it comes equipped with Android 15 and Realme UI 6, offering a variety of staffing options to choose from. This particular device has made its debut in India, and its launch price in our region is 17,999 rupees. To give you an idea, that's approximately $216 when converted. We're specifically discussing the price of the version that comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. However, it's important to remember that the prices we mention here might not be the same as the ones over there. Additionally, I want to remind you that there are versions available with more storage capacity, which come at a higher price point. Let me know if you're a fan of Realme, or if perhaps you're starting to feel a bit overwhelmed by the numerous releases.